hope as ever that you are keeping safe and well during these strange times. We will endeavour to return back to work, so we have a suggested PPE protective kit for our wax technicians going back to work, and I'm going to start with our masks because obviously it's key to keep the face completely covered, and waxing is quite a close contact treatment. So I've got a couple of masks options I want to show you. First one is our slightly more affordable mask, and that just pops onto there we go. Pops onto the head nicely, and you've got a nice gap between the mask so you don't get that fogging to block your sight. Also, if you are a little bit aware of your clients being slightly lower and you've got this gap under the mask, you've got the option to use the disposable masks, which can just nice and comfortably pop under and ensure that you can breathe comfortably, but also that you are protected as need be. So that's those ones. You've also got the slightly more deluxe ones. Let me take that off. These ones have got the sponge cover on the front, so it just makes it a little bit more comfortable to wear, and then the elastane around the head, so that just pops on nice and easily without any faff. Are wipeable, and I'll just show you a little side as well, just so you can see that there's a nice gap there that doesn't allow the fogging as you're working, and if you want to pop your mask, your material mask underneath, you can do. And then we've got the nitrile gloves of masks, the disposables. As is everywhere, they are currently out of stock, but they are coming back in very soon. Then we have the sanitizer, hand sanitizer for you and your clients to use before your treatment. Packs of alcohol swabs, just so you can wipe initial areas, and tools. Once they come out of your barbicide, they can be wiped immediately like your tweezers before you use them. And also, I have got the disposable apron on, which we're looking to get in. But again, my preference is going to be a wipeable, reusable apron, so they are going to be on their way as well. And the last thing that we don't currently have now, but is on its way, will be the antibacterial sanitizer wipes, so that you can cleanse all of your surfaces between clients. Now you can see on the couch here I've got the couch roll. I do advise that you keep the couch fully covered with couch roll, but what we do have on the way, which is going to be my preference for working, is going to be a wipeable couch cover. So the towels can go underneath it, but that will be able to be wiped down between clients with your antibacterial wipes. Stay safe and keep well, and we look forward to hearing from you all on your return to work.